In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bold text in Inkscape. If you're designing logos, thumbnails, social media graphics, or any type of vector artwork, knowing how to quickly bold your text is a simple trick that can make your design stand out a lot more. The good news is that bolding text in Inkscape is extremely easy once you know where to look. I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcut, what to do if the shortcut doesn't work, and a simple workaround if your font doesn't support bold at all. So if you want to make your text thicker, stronger, and more readable inside Inkscape, keep watching. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Inkscape tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Inkscape and create or open the document where you want to add your text. Once your canvas is ready, press the T key on your keyboard. This activates the text tool in Inkscape. After pressing T, move your mouse over to the canvas and click anywhere you want your text to appear. As soon as you click, you'll see a blinking cursor appear. Now, simply start typing your text. You can type anything you want, like a title, a label, or a headline for your design. Once your text is typed out, the next step is selecting it so we can apply the bold style. You can either highlight the text with your mouse or press Ctrl and A while the text cursor is active to select all the text you just typed. Now that the text is selected, here's the fastest way to make it bold. Simply press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. Instantly, Inkscape will apply the bold version of that font if the font supports bold styling. This is the quickest method and works very similarly to how bold text works in programs like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or many other design tools. Using keyboard shortcuts like this can save you a lot of time, especially if you work with text frequently in your designs. However, sometimes you might press Ctrl D and nothing happens. This is actually a very common situation, especially if you're using certain fonts. If the shortcut doesn't work, don't worry, because there's an easy fix. Look at the top toolbar in Inkscape while your text is selected. You'll see font options like the font family and the font style dropdown. Click on the font style dropdown and check whether a bold option is available for that font. Some fonts include styles like regular, bold, italic, or bold italic. If bold appears in that list, simply click it and your text will immediately become bold. But here's something important to know. If the bold option is grayed out or missing entirely, it means the font you're currently using simply does not include a bold style. Not every font has multiple weights. Some fonts only include a single regular version, which means Inkscape has nothing to switch to when you try to apply bold. The easiest solution is to switch to a font that supports bold weights. Two very reliable fonts you can try are Arial and Roboto. Both of these fonts include strong bold versions and are commonly available on most systems. Select your text, change the font to Arial or Roboto in the top toolbar, and then press Ctrl B again. You should immediately see the bold effect working. Now, let's talk about a helpful pro tip in case you absolutely must use a font that doesn't support bold. Maybe it's a unique display font or part of a specific brand style. In that situation, you can create a fake bold effect using a path operation. First, make sure your text is selected. Then go to the top menu and click Path. From the drop-down menu, choose Outset. The shortcut for this is Ctrl and the closing parentheses key. When you apply Outset, Inkscape slightly expands the shape of the letters, making them thicker. This visually creates a bold-like effect even if the font itself doesn't include a bold weight. You can even press the shortcut multiple times to increase the thickness until it looks the way you want. Just remember that once you convert text into path effects like this, editing the text content later becomes harder, so it's usually best to finalize your wording first before applying the effect. And that's it. That's how to bold text in Inkscape, how to fix the issue if bold is grayed out, and even how to create a fake bold effect when your font doesn't support it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.